Hey guys, and welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. I'm sorry that I did not post anything last week. It's because of the weird work schedule, but I am back. So tonight is Sunday and we are having KFC Famous Bowls. Now, it is literally the easiest thing to cook. You have mashed potatoes, chicken, gravy, and cheese, and you just layer it. If you ever had a Famous Bowl from KFC, they are the best. It's the only thing I get there. So this, oh, and I forgot corn too. So this is our dinner for tonight. Looks really good. And then we are having some cream soda. Jared has regular root beer. But yeah, so we're going to eat this, watch the Super Bowl. I'm only there for the commercials. But yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is Monday and I wanted to show y'all the Crunchwrap Supreme before Jared wraps it up. We're going to eat it. So he just gets this big tortilla. He has lettuce, hamburger meat, which is taco meat, tomatoes, and sour cream. And then he'll add some cheese. And then right now he's actually cooking the corn tortilla that he's going to place on top of that. Wrap it like this, just an example. Like that, and then toss it in the pan and then warm up the tortilla, and that's about it. We'll probably have, I don't know what on the side. We have some corn from yesterday that we can have, and then that's it. So this is what's for dinner, and it's going to be really yummy because we haven't had this in forever, you guys. Alright, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, you guys, so this is the end result. If you hear anything in the background, it's the vent on top of the oven. Is just to vent out the smoke that's in the apartment right now from cooking these, what are these called? Crunchwrap Supremes. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. It's very crispy. You can see some of the corn tortilla underneath. But yeah, so it looks really good. And this is what we're going to have for tonight. Alright you guys, so it is Tuesday and I'm actually doing a recipe that is not on the menu. I don't know, I was craving it. So I had a leftover chicken breast that was in the freezer that needed to be, not freezer, but refrigerator, that needed to be cooked. So we made some chicken salad, or I made some chicken salad. I put it in the pressure cooker. Then I mixed mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, paprika, chopped up some pickles, and then some bacon. So this is what it looks like. Jared's having 2 sandwiches and I'm having a side of chicken salad. And then some tortillas chips, which is what we got at the store the other day on Sunday when y'all watched it. It was the hint of jalapeno and it is really good. I had some for lunch today. So yeah, so this is our unexpected dinner tonight. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Thursday and we are having sort of like leftovers. Yesterday I cooked up some pasta really quick because I really wasn't hungry, so I made some angel hair pasta and then I had made some homemade Alfredo sauce. Literally butter, cheese, garlic powder, and heavy cream. Literally that's it. Stir it up, reduce it, and that's it. And then today we had Fuzakli's, which if you have not heard of Fuzakli's, is probably the best chicken tender place, in my opinion, in Alabama. So it's really good, and we had a ton of food left over. So I decided to pick up some of the chicken tenders, and then I have some of this ranch. And this is the Bolt House Farms Classic Ranch. It's the yogurt dressing. First time I'm going to try that, so hopefully it is good. And that is about it. So this is what we are having for dinner on Thursday, and we will see you guys on Friday. Hey guys, it is Friday and we are having steak night. So we have some zucchini and mushroom that Jared sauteed in the cast iron skillet. And then we have a medium rare steak. This is how we like our steaks. A lot of people don't because of the, I guess, the taste of blood, I guess. I don't know. But this is how we like our steak. He cooked it in the cast iron grill pan that we have and then threw it in the oven and let it finish cooking in there, and it looks perfect. So this is what we are having for dinner tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow.